the quest to get these credentials for our WhatsApp AI agent continues. So we should have now linked up in our Facebook business account our WhatsApp account. Now that it's linked, it's visible, it's there. The next stage is to go to another tab, and we want to now leave the business side and go to basically developers.facebook.com. All right. So developers.facebook.com. And again, you're going to want to log in. And once you're logged in, you want to get to the dashboard, or you want to click on that My Apps. So you can pause the video, log in. And notice how I have all these apps. The app essentially is going to be our bot, our AI agent bot that we're going to be setting up. So we set up the app, therefore it makes sense to set up the app not on the business side, but on the developer side. That's why the credentials are stored on this side. All right, so that should be logical. It's just annoying how they have this stuff separated like this. It is logical, at least. So you want to click on Create App. We're going to make a new app. You want to name the app, so we could call it, you don't want to name it any type of licensed name. It's not going to let you. But what you can say, you can say AI Personal Assistant Bot, you know, anything you want. Something like that could be good. So we give it a name. Now we have all these different use cases because there's many types of apps you could make. You can make ads that for management, accessing our threads. We don't care about any of this. We're making a bot. So we want to click on Other, click Next. Easy peasy, beautiful, cover people. Easy breezy, beautiful, cover developers. All right. Now it's important when we select the type of app, we don't care about the consumer. We don't care about consumer products. We care about that business access. Like, that's where the umbrella of WhatsApp is stored. So you want to make sure you select business. And there we go. We got the contact email, business portfolio, doesn't matter. Let's create this app. All right, it's going to ask for your password again. You want to put in your password. I think I made a mistake in my password. Try that again. Got it. Second time around, works like a charm, right? Now we have our app, guys. Now we have our app. You'll see that you can add products, but we don't want to focus on that for now. All we care about is the credentials for our workflow. We're going to take a look at this WhatsApp integration later on. But what I want you to do instead is focus on the left-hand side. Under App Settings, you have Basic and Advanced over here. Click on Basic, and you're going to get at the very top here an app ID and an app secret. That, my friends, that's like the golden treasure at the end of the dungeon. We just defeated a boss, all right? We just defeated a Facebook boss. The boss that we defeated here, when you click on Create New Credential, going back to your N8N, when you do that, it's going to ask you for a client ID and a client secret. The client ID is the app ID, right? The client is the app. The app secret is the client secret because the app is the client. So you want to copy this. You want to reveal this. I'm not going to reveal it. Make sure you never share this with anyone. You don't want anybody else accessing, so be very careful with that. And then paste those in. I already have mine pasted in, so I'm going to leave that. And then you want to test it, and you should see that it works. It should say connection successful for you because you're doing it for the first time. For me, it's already there. If it's connected successfully, congratulations, you have destroyed the boss and gotten the treasure. This is a very important step because this stuff is annoying for me. It's not like interesting levels of intelligence. It's just navigating documentation for systems that are overly complex, whatever, but it's done. Now, if it's not working, make sure you copied everything correctly with the app and the app secret. Make sure you registered successfully your WhatsApp business. Go through those steps until it is working, then continue. If it is working, congratulations. You have leveled up. You now have the Sword of Destiny. Before you had you had the wooden sword. Now you got a Sword of Destiny, all right? It's like silver. So we'll stop here. And if you want the Sword of Bitcoin, well, that's going to be in the next lesson. Maybe you don't want that. But in the next lesson, now that we have this credential set up, we can continue to build our workflow. We can take a look and see how we can then run tests and get our WhatsApp really listening. Good stuff. I'll see you in the next lesson. Be there or be module. That was a really bad joke.